subscribe. Bye. I'm gonna play today. Please enjoy the video. If I get 3 subscribers, you can't watch everything I made. Bye. I'm gonna play Granny. Enjoy the video. Oh wait, there's something is wrong with this game. Okay. Let's go. Only easy. I don't need that. Day 1. Let's go. I'm so sorry, fans. I'm just restarted. There's something in the game. Run, 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 run. Go, 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 go. Run, 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 run. To the upstairs. What is this? There's nothing there. It's so minimalist. What? A weapon key. I need this. Helicopter manual. I'm using the helicopter. This is the part 2, fans. I have to think. I have to wait, Granny. Oh. Ah! Why did you do that? You scared me, bro. They are cheating. Repeatedly. Granny and Grandpa is cheating. Oh. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no. Run, 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 run to the basement. To the underground, there's an octopus. Granny is so ugly. He just like a poop, poop, poop. He just like an egg that I don't know what is it. Never mind. Eh. Just like Piggy, chapter 2. It's so... What was that? Granny! Guys, I'm live today. Whoa! No! No, 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 no. Come on, no! It's so hard. Granny is cheating. This too is cheating. Stop doing that. That's cheating. Come on. Stop cheating. I have to go. Whoa! It's so hard. Part 3 coming soon. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and share. Bye. Part 3 coming soon.